Hi everyone. Today we are going to discuss about photosynthesis. Today's lecture will be very helpful for the students for PPSC, FPSC and other competitive exams. I am Muhammad Akram, lecturer botany, Government SC College, Bhavalpur. So let's move towards our today's lecture. Today we will discuss about photosynthesis in important points, important MCQs. The number of chloroplasts in each mesophyll cell ranges from 20 to 100 per mesophyll cell. The molecular formula of chlorophyll A. Chlorophyll A is C55H72O5 N4 Mg, while chlorophyll B formula is C55H70O6 N4 Mg. There is a major difference between chlorophyll A and chlorophyll B is a functional group. So formula is given here. The area of leaf covered by stomata 1 to 2%. Total area of 1 to 2% of leaf is covered by stomata. Stomata are for gaseous exchange. The first action spectrum was obtained by T. W. Engelmann. Action spectrum tells us about which light or wavelength is more effective in photosynthesis. Here is color of chlorophyll. Chlorophyll A is blue-green, while the color of chlorophyll B is yellow-green. Chlorophyll B color is yellow-green. Photosynthetic pigments arrange in clusters to form photosystems. We have two photosystems, photosystem 1 and photosystem 2. Photosystem 1 absorbs 700 nanometer light best. The fluid-filled region of chloroplast is called stroma. Stroma is the fluid-filled region of chloroplast. The plastocyanin proteins contains copper. The dark reaction, which is part of photosynthesis, occurs in stroma. As we know, stroma is fluid-filled region in chloroplast. The most abundant proteins on earth is rubisco, found in plants. The source of oxygen during photosynthesis is water. The oxygen which is released in the atmosphere during photosynthesis is from water, splitting of water. Carbon dioxide is not source of oxygen during photosynthesis. Water is the source of oxygen during photosynthesis. The most efficient light for photosynthesis is red light. Red light is the most efficient light for the photosynthesis. The thalakkides are not stacked in granum. In which organism? Algae. It means that in algae, thalakkides are not stacked in granum, while in plants, thalakkides are stacked in granum. This is major difference between chloroplast of algae and plants. The visible spectrum of light is 380 to 750 nanometer light. It is range of visible light. As we know, splitting of water form oxygen during photosynthesis, and this splitting of water is associated with photosystem 2, not in photosystem 1. Splitting of water takes place in photosystem 2. Carbon dioxide is fixed in glucose in dark reaction. Carbon dioxide is fixed in glucose. The first compound formed in C3 pathway. In dark reaction, carbon dioxide is fixed in phosphoglyceric acid. In which pathway? C3 pathway. Phosphoglyceric acid, PGA, is 3 carbon compound. That's why this pathway is termed as C3 pathway. In this step, carbon dioxide is fixed in 3 carbon compound. Do subscribe my channel for more videos. Cyclic phosphorylation. Cyclic photophosphorylation involves photosystem 1, while non-cyclic photophosphorylation involves both photosystem 2 and 1, while cyclic photophosphorylation involves only one photosystem. Give your opinion in comments about my videos. Carbon dioxide acceptor in C3 pathway is RUBP. Ribulose bisphosphate is carbon dioxide in C3 pathway. Chlorophyll A is the pigment which is universally present in all green plants. In CAM pathway, carbon dioxide is PEP. We have different types of pathways like CAM pathway, C3 pathway and C4 pathway. In CAM pathway, carbon dioxide acceptor is phosphoenol pyruvate. Assimilatory power is NADPH2 and ATP. These two are the product of light reaction. These are used as assimilatory power in dark reaction to synthesize glucose from carbon dioxide. Crane's anatomy is found in C4 plants. C4 pathway is also called as Hatch-Slack pathway. Dimorphic chloroplast is found in C4 plants, the plants which have C4 pathway. The term photorespiration was coined by Kortykov. Stomata remain closed during daylight in CAM plants. CAM plants are found in extreme drought conditions where stomata remain closed during daylight. Please like or dislike my video to give your opinion about my videos. Best efficiency in photosynthesis is present in C4 plants. C4 plants are best efficient for photosynthesis. The end product of light reaction is ATP, NADPH2. These both are used in dark reaction where carbon dioxide is fixed in organic compound. First discovered photosystem is photosystem 2. The light reaction, also called as Hill's reaction, while dark reaction is also called as Kelvin-Benson pathway. This is all about. Thank you for watching.